Hey guys, we're GameForOne's and today I am doing a Wii Sports All Sports tier list. Usually when I do a tier list I'm with BQ21, but today I'm doing this by myself. And we're gonna rank every Wii Sport from the 5 original to Wii Sports Resort, the 16 sports. And if you're wondering where I've been for the past 10 days, my iPad is... I film on iPad, if you haven't realised. I put the iPad in front of the gamepad on the Wii U. That's how I make videos. My iPad's been playing up recently, so I'm probably not going to upload for a little while. I'll probably just make tier list videos, which I do on my laptop. So yeah, let's go. Alright. Oh, we got baseball. Easy S tier. Baseball is goated. Baseball's that shit right there. If you're wondering if I sound like Monochrome or something, I just woke up. So yeah. Alright. Archery. We got... Oh, probably B tier. I'll never play archery. It's dead. I'm assuming that's like... Island Flyover? Yeah. A tier. Pretty good. Good fun. Wakeboarding. Not fun. Canoeing, very but kind of funny when you play 4 people on your own because you're lonely. Cycling, C tier. Golf, oh golf. Boy do I love golf. No, it's not. Is it S tier? Fuck it, it's S tier. Golf is S tier. Bowling, a solid A tier. Sword fight. Ooh. Sword fight would probably be B, yeah. I mean, I it's like personal preference. I like baseball. I like golf. Baseball and golf are my one of the two favorite sports. I like playing Wii Sports baseball. I haven't played in ages though. Table tennis. A tier. Very, very good sport. Basketball. You know the drill. Best sport? No. Second best sport. Frisbee golf. No, not that bad. There we go. Skydiving. You do it like the start of the game. Probably like a C tier as well. What's this then? Oh, this is power cruising. Oh my god, I'm dumb. Power cruising. C. Wakeboarding. Dead. Tennis. You from Tennessee, because you're the only 10 I see. Got him. And boxing. Alright, let's rank these as I would. Yeah. Yeah, that's my Wii Sports sport tier list. That's best sport ever, baseball, by far. Worst sport ever, wakeboarding. If you disagree, then go fuck yourself. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye! This was a short video, but I needed to upload. And what's this? Okay. I need to upload something. Bye.